Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Tell me how you are doing in the comment section. Today, I'll come up with a new video of a Christmas scenery drawing. I hope you all are enjoy it. Before moving to video, I have a small request. This is my new channel. Please subscribe and share. Let's dive into video. Welcome to our step-by-step Christmas drawing tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through creating a heartwarming Christmas scenery drawing featuring with a Santa Claus, a beautifully decorated Christmas tree, and a pile of gifts ready to be delivered. Let's capture the holiday spirit together on paper. Coming to the materials, drawing paper of a sketchbook or a ivory paper sheet, pencils like HB, 2B and up to 8B also I have to use it on this, eraser, colored pencils or markers, and gold or silver gel pens are optional for your detailing. And coming to the we have to divide in the step by step procedure. First of all, the drawing a Christmas scene, then after materials overview, then after Santa Claus on his iconic pose, lightly sketching the Santa Claus with a round shaped material and lightly sketching on it, and after drawing the Christmas tree with ornaments and lights, and adding a pile of wrapped gifts with a holding hand, and then coming to the detailing Santa's costume and facial features, and coloring the scene with vibrant holiday colors, and adding shades and textures are your optional, and final touches and enhancements, conclusion and final look at the Christmas drawing. Then begin with light pencil sketch to our outline the main elements of the scene. Focus on details like Santa's rosy cheeks and the sparkling tree ornaments, and experiment with colors and shading to create depth and bring the scenes to life. Take your time and enjoy the festive drawing process. And drawing a Christmas scene is a joyful way to celebrate the holiday season through art. This tutorial is suitable for all skill levels, allowing everyone to participate in the festive creativity. And while drawing the Santa Claus, paying attention to specific details like facial features, his suit, hat, and boots can add character and authenticity to your artwork. Here a breakdown of how you can approach the drawing these elements in a step-by-step manner. First of all, facial features. We'll discuss with the facial features. Eyes, being with the two oval shapes for the eyes, add small circles or ovals with them to represent the pupils. Nose, draw a round triangle or oval shape slightly below the eyes to depict the Santa's nose. Mouth, form a small curved line below the nose for the mouth. You can add a smile or any expression you prefer. Cheeks, add a rosy cheeks using the light circular motions with your coloring tool. And shoulders and torso, sketch a broad upper body with a slightly rounded shoulders, drawing a big rounded shape for Santa's belly, and outline a coat that drapes over his belly. Add a belly across the middle, typically with a large buckle in the center, and draw long sleeves extending down from the shoulders, possibly with the cuffs at the wrists. Add a row of buttons down the front of the coat. And remember, these steps are generally guideline and perfect, particularly legs. Sketch two lines downward from the bottom of the coat to create the Santa's legs. Then applying the light green first for the Christmas tree, and eventually by adding the dark green also. with a slight motion, and you have to finish it properly with a little bit patience, and it would be more beautiful when you have to take a time and neatly apply the color in eventual manner. Then draw the dare of a lightly sketching on it with a take packed gifts, and you have to blend it properly with a slightly blend it on the body part of this, and then coming to the holding hand with a lamp, then color it with a green color and outline it properly a hand and highlight the rows of a hand, and uh, you can color it with a red color. And to enhance the scenery, you have to put stars on the both sides. I have to decorate with the stars of a different colors. You can choose whatever, and with the dark spots apply on it the background to highlight the scenery. You have done it, the whole scenery of a Christmas drawing of a Santa Claus tree and whole picture, and I hope you all are love it. If I have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, follow for more.